Hi, this is Jen from the experts. How may I help you?
Hey Jen, it's Mike. Just wrapped up the camera inspection at Plainfield Street.
How'd it go?
We've got a bit of a situation over here. Found some roots that have broken through the pipe. We're going to need to dig and replace that section.
Oh, really? It's definitely something we need to address right away. Just a second.
Okay.
Look over there, Mike.
Yeah, I see it will.
It's scheduled for tomorrow morning. We'll take care of that with high priority.
Okay, thank you, Jen. I know they'll appreciate that.
Anytime, Mike. Talk to you later.
All right, Jen. Bye.
Looks like Lily's having some work done on her house.
Yeah, honey.
Will! That is enough. I will dig the rest with the shovel now.
All right, Mike. Mike, how is it going over there?
The pipe is finally exposed. Look at this break.
This looks really bad. Nice that we were able to come fix this right away.
Yeah, definitely.
I will get more stones for when you are ready.
That will work. Thanks.
Looks pretty good, Mike.
Yeah, Will. Let's add more stones and wait for the inspection.
All right, let's do it.
What a day.
Yeah, tell me about it.